Are you just paddling in circles applying for jobs? Just stop. Time to find a new way to paddle with New Employee Success by FNG Training on Udemy.com. Learn which of your skills to list on applications to drastically increase your chances of landing that job. You can increase your chances of new employee success by FNG Training on Udemy.com. Udemy is a great online platform for you to learn and train on just about anything you want. I'm hoping you take the FNG training to increase your chances of new employee success. Truthfully, anything that you can do to improve your life is worth doing, and that's all anyone can ask for. But for now, get New Employee Success by FNG Training on Udemy.com and start paddling your career in the right direction. Or left direction. It's your choice.